Kids A to Z is an app that you can download on a smartphone or a tablet. Once you have the app downloaded, you simply need to open it up and you're going to type in your teacher's username in order to get access. You'll see the usernames at the end of this video. Once you are logged into your teacher, you can just scroll up or down and look for your name or initials. You then enter your password. Everybody's password is the same password as your Google Classroom password. Then you should be on your home page where you can see all of your stats. You can also change some cool backgrounds or build an avatar. You then click on the reading tab where it shows you some books that you can read. The level up option at the top shows you books that you can read to improve your level, and then you'll see assignments. Once you click on any books that I have assigned for you, you simply just need to read them. You also can touch the mic at the top and it will read the book to you. Once you are finished reading the story, you will see the question mark light up where you can take a quiz. When your quiz is finished, you'll see your score, and I will also be able to access your score on the quiz. At the bottom, they also offer some popular books that other students in your reading level enjoy, and maybe you can read those and take some quizzes on those as well. If you have any questions about Kids A to Z or how to access it, your parents can always send me a message on Remind or send me an email so that I can help you out as much as possible.